You guys, welcome back. Baron here, and I got another Airsoft episode for you here, and a couple of things first. This is a woods battle. There's a little bit of woods in the place we play, and this was recorded in it. On this day, it was really windy, so there's a lot of times where you can actually hear the wind in this episode, and it was really damn cold, too. This is also a first person, and that also means that my camera angle is pretty shit this episode. Don't worry about it, it will be fixed with this upcoming next video. And things definitely go wrong for me, so hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm gonna hit record and go on recon mission. Alright. Recon mission is a go. Just like hold here, I'm gonna see it there on the opposite side. Okay. Just in case we called it too early. Oh, I just pulled something in my leg. Oh, it hurts. Oh. Game on. What? Game on. Shots fired. Game on. Shit. Shit. Shit, I don't like this. Someone's like hauling, like. Somebody was like holding down the trail. Nate was trying to hold the trail. Failed. Where's Nate? Can't see shit. CJ. Shit. Pickled here. Come on, peek out, peek out, peek. Peek out. Come on, son of a bitch, peek out. Yeah. Black. Dude, Nate's on the opposite side of the treehouse, dude. He's holding them in reserve, dude.
Hey, what's Nate doing?
He's holding in reserve. Anyone that tries to get on the treehouse, he's gonna smoke.
So Nate's at the bottom of the treehouse.
Nate's behind the treehouse just a little bit. He's behind the tree. Maybe a yard or two behind the treehouse. I think it's time for my specialty. Braden, pull back in the cover. I think it's time for my specialty, Braden, and that's flank and spank. Alright, I'll hit him as he crosses. Shit, I don't got any good trees. Shit balls, shit. Dude, he found me. No. Shit. No. Shit. Shit, battery's dead. Shit, I don't know if I got hit. Cover fire.
He's over there.
Dude, my battery's out, dude. He's spot. He's at the spot. Dude, my hands are freezing. Shit balls. Shit, I have nothing.
So at this point, I'm running to my vehicle for my pistol, which still has ammo and can still function perfectly because it's a spring. And at the same time, apparently, I give the illusion that I'm out of the game when in reality, I'm just out of electricity. I'm still in the game, and it'll only come back to bite you in the ass later on.
Hanging out. Yeah? Dude, a 1911 went out of electricity. Shit. Game.